Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophie J. Today we are talking about 2 lip balms from Fresh Beauty. Before we go any further, I just want to say thank you so much to them for sending me these products complimentary for review. Now let's get into these balms, shorty. Now the Sugar Peach Hydrating Balms are like a soft, cushiony kind of texture, and it's supposed to give you soft, supple, and healthy looking lips. Now if you know anything about sugar, it's a humectant, so it's gonna pull in that moisture to your lips. We don't want to walk around feeling crusty and dry. No, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop on a little bit of this balm. It smells like candy, you guys. It smells like peaches and cream on a nice springtime day. I feel like I should be sitting next to flowers and living my best life, because this just smells so bomb. And even though the Fresh Peach Sugar Balm looks pink, it goes on very sheer to the lips, very comfortable. I wore it to bed and Shorty's lips were still popping in the morning, so I was very pleased by that. Now let's get into this other one, this lemon. Let's talk about this lemon. This smells like a lemon starburst. Oh, we about to just be out here. Tastes like candy, and I'm here for it. So whoever is in the lab chefing up these 2 balms right here, gold star for you. Now, as you can see, Mother has big lips, so I have like a drawer of Fresh products, and take any big lipped person's word for it. Lip gloss, lip balm, lip chap, whatever you call it, is not something we play with. And these are bomb. These are bomb. Like, if you have not gotten your hands on them, sis, what are you doing? You need to get you some. Now let's get into the nitty gritty of these lip balms. So they retail for $18 for 6 grams of product. Now a little bit does go a long way, and your lips are going to smell bomb and look Poppington, because they're infused with vitamin E and emollient of oils, including apricot kernel, black currant seed, and grapeseed oils, to make sure that you have soft and moisturized lips throughout the day. And just so you know how much $18 is going to get you, this is how much product is within the jar. Like I said, a little bit does go a long way. I mean, just so you know what the packaging looks like, this is how it comes. I like it how it's colored with the flavor, and then it says the flavors on the side. This is the peach and this is the lemon, but we all know Fresh always has Balm.com packaging too, so I'm a sucker for pretty things. Again, I wanted to thank Fresh Beauty so much for sending me these products complimentary for review. If you'd like to keep kicking it with the kid, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Uh-huh.